doesn't work! Ah!
We didn't have very many tough toys, Legos when you were older, you know. You and Josh spent a lot of time playing outside. When we started the video games, there was a lot of bashing people.
Now, what's all those bashing people outside you didn't know?
Maybe so. Yeah. Don't make noise while I'm trying to beat this game! Whack!
Yeah, I remember that. I think Jenny even got in on that.
Good job, Jamie. Yeah! You're cute.
You're a dancer today, Jane.